ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም የማትሪክ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ሰዓትን ጥያቄዎች ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። እንደሚከተለው አቀርባለሁ። It says that given that the system of linear inequality here we have what two inequalities x plus y greater or equal to and x minus y less than 2, then which one of the following order pairs doesn't satisfy the given system? Doesn't satisfy means what? You have to have this ordered pairs that must be what? Satisfy both the inequalities, greater or equal to as well as less than 2. It doesn't satisfy ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ከምንወስዳቸው ኦርደር ፔር ውስጥ ሁለቱንም ሲስተም ሳቲስፋይ የማያደርጉ ማለት ነው። ከሁለት አንዱ ሳቲስፋይ ካላደረገ ምን ይሆናል? doesn't satisfy እንላለን ማለት። ሁለቱንም ሳቲስፋይ ካላደረገም again doesn't satisfy the given inequality እንላለን ማለት። ስለዚህ ይሄንን ለማሳየት it is better to insert what all the order pairs here we have into what the inequalities. እዚህ ኢኒኳሊቲ ውስጥ ለኤክስ እና ለዋይ ቫሉ እነዚህን እየተካን ሳቲስፋይ ያደርጋል አያደርግም የሚለውን ማየት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ when say that the first one የመጀመሪያውን ኮንሲደር ስናደርግ ምን ይላል? x negative 1 ስለሆነ negative 1 plus what? That is 3, which is equal to what? That is 2. 2 is greater or equal to what? That is 2. Yes, it is correct. The first one, the first inequality, it is correct. For the second inequality, that means negative 1 minus what? That is 3, which is equal to what? Negative 4. Negative 4 is less than 2. Yes, it is also correct. ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው ኦርደር ፔር ወይም ቾይስ ኤ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ኮሬክት ነው፣ ሳቲስፋይ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። Similarly, when come to for the second one, b ላይ ስንመጣ we insert what? 3 instead of x, 1 instead of what? y. What? This is equal to, this is 3 plus 1, which is equal to what? This is 4. 4 is greater or equal to what? 2. Yes, it works for the first inequality. For the second inequality, it says that x is what? That is 3. 3 minus what? That is 1. This is equal to what? That is 2. 2 is less than 2. It is impossible. It doesn't less than 2. So the choice that B is what? It is not true, or it doesn't satisfy the given inequality. የተሰጠን inequality 3 እና 1 ስንወስድ ምን አላደረገም? ሳቲስፋይ አላደረገም። ለምን? ሁለተኛው inequality ላይ ፌል ስላደረገ ማለት። When you come to the third, that is C, insert what? 1 for the value of x, 1 plus that is 3 for y, which is equal to what? That is 4. 4 is greater or equals to, yes, it is correct. When come to the second inequality, x is what? That is 1. 1 minus 3, which is equal to negative 2 is less than 2. Yes, it is correct. Choice C also correct. When come to the last one, that is D. In case of D, what for? Insert 3 instead of x, that is 3 plus that is 2 for y is equal to what? That is 5. 5 is greater or equal to, yes, it is correct for the first inequality. ሁለተኛው inequality ላይ 3 እና 2 ኢንሰርት ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል? 3 minus 2 is equal to what? 1 is less than 2. Yes, it is correct. So choice D also correct. The choice that we have is B. ስለዚህ የተሰጠን ኦርደር ፔር በተሰጠን ኢኒኳሊቲ ሁለቱም ወይም ሶስቱም ኢኒኳሊቲ ሊሆን ይችላል። እዛ ውስጥ ኢንሰርት በማድረግ ምን ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው? ሳቲስፋይ ያደርጋል አያደርግም የሚለውን በዛ አይነት መንገድ ቼክ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Let us consider the next question. Let the system of linear inequality be given that what? Again, this is inequality here. 2x plus y greater or equal to 6. 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Then the system has dash. ሲስተሙ አለው ነው ምን አለ ይላል? only two different solution, ሁለት different solution አለው፣ infinite solution, unique solution, no solution ይላል። Let's try to sketch the graph of this one. What? That means 2x plus y. Change this into equality. Now let us consider the given inequality and let's try to sketch the graph of such inequalities. Let us consider the first one. What it says that this is 2x plus y is equal to what? 6. Let's make it equal sign. When y is 0, the value of x is what? The value of x is that is 3. When x is 0, the value of y is what? That is 6. Let's say here is 6. So when sketch the graph of this one in joining what? The intercepts, which is equal to what? This is 2x plus y is equal to 6. So this line, yes, divide this graph into what? On this side as well as in the lower on this side. So let's try to check 0 0 which is on the other side of this line whether it satisfies the inequality or not. ስለዚህ satisfy ያደርጋል አያደርግም የሚለውን ከአንዱ ሳይድ ላይ ፖይንት ወስደን ቼክ ማድረግ እንችላለን። ለምሳሌ 0 0 ስንተካ ምን ይሆናል? 2 times 0 that is 0 ይሆናል plus 0 is greater or equal 6 ይላል። ምን ማለት ነው? 0 ከ6 ይበልጣል ወይም እኩል ይሆናል? It is impossible. So the graph on the other side በተቃራኒ ቦታ ወይም ደግሞ ሳይድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው graph. This is a graph. When it comes to the second inequality ጋር ስንመጣ make this also what? Equal sign. That means 4x plus what? This is 2y is equal to that is 10. By taking x and y intercept, we can sketch the graph of this one. When y is 0, the value of x is what? 10 over 4. That means 5 over 2. That means 2.5. Here is 5 over 2. When x is 0, the value of y is what? That is 5. 5. Let's take somewhere. This is 5. So by joining these interceptors, we can sketch the graph of what? This line. Now it says that less than or equals 10. Less than or equal means what? You have to take what? Insert 0 0 is what? On this side 0 0 into this inequality. That means 0 plus 4 times 0 0 2 times 0 0 is less than or equals 10. Yes, 0 is less than or equals 10. This implies the graph is what? We shade it on this side, which includes what? The origin 0 0. As observed there, the graph, there is no intersection between the two graphs. This is the graph of what? This is 4x plus 2y is less than or equals 10. And this one is what? This is 2x plus y is greater or equals what? That is 6. There is no intersection in between. This implies what? There is no common region for both the inequality we have. ላሉን ኢኒኳሊቲዎች ምንድነው የጋራ ሼድድ የሆነ ወይም የጋራ ሪጅን የላቸው። ይሄ ማለት they don't have what? Solution የለውም እንላለን ማለት ነው። ሁለቱንም ኢኳል ወይም ደግሞ ሳስፋይ የሚያደርግ ሶሉሽን ልናገኝ አልቻልንም። ሶ ኖ ሶሉሽን እንላለን ማለት ነው። ወይም or በሌላ አነጋገር ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? 2x plus y is equal 6 means what? What does it imply? 2x plus y is equal to what? 6. What is y? Y is equal to what? Negative 2x plus what? That is 6 here. Again, for the second equation, what we have 4x plus 2y is equal to what? 10. Make it this equal sign. Change it into equal sign. Plus 2y is equal to what? That is 10. Again, solve y in terms of x. This implies what? 2y is equal to negative 4x plus what? That is 10. To solve y, divide both sides by 2, which is equal to what? Negative 2x plus what? That is 5. Observe there. The slope is what? This is negative 2. The slope here also what? Negative 2. And the y-intercept in both cases what? They are different. This is 6. This one is what? 5. This implies what? The lines are parallel. If the two lines are, this implies what? This implies that the lines are what? The lines are parallel. They are parallel. If they are parallel, there is no common region that have what? Their intersection point. ስለዚህ የጋራ የሚሆናቸው ፖይንት የለም። ለምን? ፓራላል ናቸው። ፓራላል ከሆነ የኮመን ሪጅን የላቸው። ኮመን ሪጅን ካለላቸው ደግሞ ሁለቱንም በተመሳሳይ መንገድ እውነት ለሚያደርግ ወይም ደግሞ ሳትስፋይ የሚያደርግ ኢንኢኳሊቲ ማን ፖይንት ልናገኝ አንችልም። ያ ማለት the system of linear equation doesn't have solution እንላለን ማለት that is no solution አለን ማለት ነው።